Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Kimberly. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today's video is today's video is going to be a wig install and review of this bomb unit that I'm wearing. This hair is from ftHermosa hair. Shout outs to them for sponsoring this video. Like, this hair turned out super bomb. I think I did a really good job. Like, let me know. But this is a body wave 13x4 unit, and I do believe it's a 26-inch. All the details will be in the description box below. But because I curled it up and I cut it here and there, this is what it's looking like. I really love how this unit turned out, and if you are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, then you should definitely keep on watching. Let's get into the video.
Trouble in your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Well, I don't get it. You say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing. You're not letting me get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is trouble in your mind? Babe, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride. Wanna be, I wanna give our love wings. You're not letting me, get through to you. Yeah, if you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been before. Trouble in your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of a man think. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing. But you're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is troubling your mind? Babe, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride. Wanna be. I wanna give our love wings. You're not letting me, yeah, get through to you.
So guys, this is my finished results. I really like this hair. I think it turned out super bomb. It takes to a curl really well. I did bleach my knots, but I feel like I should have left the bleach on a little bit longer, so that kind of just annoyed me, but that's my fault. But it looks really good. I put some foundation on the parting, and it is like a really, you can get like a really deep center part, and you see I have a really deep side part. You know, on the side you can't really, you know, do a crazy side part, but once you have like a side part here or like a center part, you're good to go. The hair feels really good. I love the body of this hair. All in all, I have nothing bad to say about this hair. I feel like it's a good unit, and you do need to do like a little work with like the frontal and how it comes, but I mean, it still is a good unit. Definitely you should check it out if you are interested, guys. The links for this hair is in the description box below. Shout outs to Hermosa Hair for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys for the next one. Bye.